Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
At the bottom of the application window is a long, thin horizontal bar in which you find objects such as the zoom slider and the page layout view buttons. The bar within which these tools appear is called the status bar. Here you can see various statuses monitored within Publisher, such as the magnification level and the current page number and total count of pages. You can choose which statuses you want to show or hide in the status bar. You can see what statuses are currently shown or hidden in this bar by right-clicking anywhere in the status bar to view the Customized Status Bar panel. A pop-up menu shows a listing of the available tools and statuses that can be displayed in the status bar. Any listed objects that appear with a check to the left of their names are already being shown in the status bar. Objects that do not have a check to the left of their names in this list are not currently being displayed in the status bar. Click on the name of any object in this list to toggle the display from on to off, or vice versa.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.